Okay, today we're going to be doing our very first online grammar lesson about subject pronouns and ser. Subject pronouns are the words that we use to refer to the subject of the sentence, and ser is the first verb we're going to learn how to conjugate. So, subject pronouns in English you should be familiar with. I, you, he, she, or it. In Spanish, you formal exists. So remember when you're talking to your principal or your grandparent or the president, you're going to use the you formal address. We, in Spain, there's a form that's y'all, and we're not really going to practice it or use it or talk about it ever in class. I want you to be able to recognize it, but it's not super important because out of the 21 countries that speak Spanish, only one of them uses vosotros, so we're not really going to spend that much time on it. If you go to Spain, you can use it there. Otherwise, I wouldn't worry about it. And then they and you all. Okay, so in Spanish, the way that you would refer to it, I is going to be yo. You is going to be tú with an accent, which is important. He is going to be él with an accent, which is important because if it doesn't have an accent, it means the. Ella, she, it will come back to later. And then you formal, usted. We is going to be nosotros if they are all male or mixed male and female. If it's all female, then nosotras. And then they is going to be ellos, all male or mixed. Ellas, all female. Ustedes, you all, meaning that I'm talking directly to somebody, but I'm talking to more than one person. You all. Okay, so the verb ser in English means to be. So in English, when you're using the verb to be, you would say I am, you are, he, she, it, or you formal for Spanish, is, we are, y'all are would be vosotros, and then they or you all are. In English, there are only a few conjugations of the verb. In Spanish, every subject has a different conjugation. So in Spanish, ser, to be, yo soy, tú eres, él, ella, usted es, nosotros somos, vosotros sois, but we're never really going to use vosotros, and then ellos, ellas, ustedes son. So yo soy, I am, tú eres, you are, él es, he is, ella es, she is, usted es, you formal are, nosotros somos, we are, vosotros sois would be y'all are, but we're not going to use it, and then ellos es, ustedes, ellos son, they are masculine, ellas son, they are feminine, ustedes son, you all are. Okay, we're going to do a little bit of practice. Luna. So Luna is going to be the he, she, or you formal. So we would use es for Luna. Luna es preciosa. Luna is my daughter, obviously, and she is precious. Okay, yo, it's going to be the I form of the verb ser. Yo soy la maestra de español. I am the Spanish teacher. Ustedes, you all. So if I'm talking to everybody in the Spanish class, I would use ustedes, you all, which is going to be the ellos, ellas, ustedes form of ser, which is son. Ustedes son estudiantes. You all are students. And then here, if I already have the verb, I want to decide who the subject is. So eres is going to be the tú form of the verb. So tú with an accent. Eres cómico. You are comical or funny. Somos is going to be the us form, so nosotros, and we pretty much always do nosotros unless we for sure know that it's only girls. So nosotros somos interesantes, we are interesting. And then soy is going to be the I form, or the yo in Spanish form of the verb. Yo soy de Walla Walla, Washington. I am from Walla Walla, Washington, which is true. So that is how you conjugate ser, and these are the subject pronouns. Thank you.